Back again to the new exercise. So today we will be working on another exercise of filtering the data, so using slicers in Power BI. So what we will do, I already downloaded this file, so this is the file how it look like. So we will be using this function button slices, where if you take the slicer, the URL, then it will give you a picture, and instead of using a classic and old style filters like these, what you can do, you can choose like click like these buttons and your data will get loaded. So this exercise we will be performing here. So let's go through this, how we will be doing it. So right now I have already loaded the data, but this iconic URL is not working, so I don't know why. And if we click on suitable for 12 years and over here, then we will have this data, right? And this is the same data that we do have in our website 35. Yeah. So this is how you will use description, like you will use button slicers instead of using simple slices. So this is good, right? If you want to show something as visually appealing, then you can use these. So I don't know why it's not working, but if I just go and click on here, right, and let me check in the error, like what's the error causing. Okay, yep. So that's how you will use a button slices. Like if you don't want to use this, so I will just give you one example. So I will click on button slices, right, and this in this button slices, what I will do, I will put one value like this back color, right? So right now what I will do, I will remove everything from here and I will just go here and extend this. So right now we have the button slices, right? And if you want something else, I will just delete color from here to, let's say, director. If I take director, then I can take director name. So these are the directors names with this. Sorry for this. We will click on any of these director and his film will get loaded here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.